not ready.
I didn't sign the release.
Buck. And duck. Okay. You flew with us here?
Huh? Yeah, I did. No, that's your toothbrush and stuff.
Wait, can I open this?
Not until your birthday.
That's like 2 weeks away. Wait, really?
Yeah. No, go for it.
Okay, I can't show the card though because you put my last initial on it. Are you kidding me? And funny. The nicest grandma. I got toothbrushes. I got Crest. Oh my god, that actually, wait, it smells really good. Smell?
Smell, guys.
Everyone take a sniff.
What the hell? This is a new camera.
Wait.
Wait. I'm reading the whole
is this
thing.
like
Hold on,
wet,
wait, is this
or
recording?
is this...
I'm like trying to read this, guys, and it says Power Shot on there, V1. Wait, she got us something?
I'm allergic to cucumbers.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
Can I have the fork that's in there? I can't open this.
Oh, that does smell like sushi.
What? Oh my god, look. They're getting dumplings. And chopsticks. Their packaging is so cute. Okay, moment of truth. If this sucks, I'm gonna be so sad.
I'm so sorry.
What just happened?
That was way too close to her.
Is she laughing or is it bad?
Wait, look at the shot. I was following the cucumber way too close. Wait, sorry, I'm like handling both. Wait, how am I supposed to eat cucumbers with a spoon? Are you sure they didn't put more in there?
Yeah.
There were two of us in there. Why didn't they give us two?
I don't know, right?
You had 2 orders and there were 2 people.
Yeah, I know.
She saw me walking in with Buck. She's like, she probably needs to feed this guy. Oh my
Look
god.
at that teamwork.
I guess that works. Okay, let me back up because I can.
Oh fuck, these are slippery.
Stop. It's good, yeah? I like the spice.
Vegetarians get excited about this sort of stuff.
Just made it to Anna Maria. They're doing all the heavy lifting. Good job, guys. Okay, we've set up camp.
I brought it this time. Thanks for all the help, Marissa, by the way. Yeah. Couldn't have done it without you.
This is video proof that Jason is applying sunscreen. What, SPF 50? You're still gonna burn.
Alright, let's go.
Okay. Dude, the water is so blue. The water is so blue. Well, it's not bad. I don't know, it's like kind of cold. I feel like you just have to go for it. Oh god. Oh my god. Do you hate this? Oh no.
Alright, let me.
Or just dunk. Do it.
I don't know. Yeah. No. If somebody wants my glasses.
It feels way better. I can hold on.
Yeah. Just don't want me to get
Ready?
It better not be wet when I come back.
Nope. His little dunk, 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 dunk. Dip your toes. Oh, he's got a running start, running start, running start.
So dramatic. Oh, I think it went in my nose. Yeah, super salty actually.
Alright, let's take YouTube video swimming.
This is harassment. This is
Cool.
the sun's doing nothing.
I think it feels great.
Oh god.
When are we gonna go to Clearwater, guys?
Anywhere she is. We go to Siesta Key. It's when are we going to Anna Maria? We go to Anna Maria. It's like, oh, Clearwater. We're gonna go to Clearwater. She's like, oh, but Key West.
Oh, you know that's what's calling. We go there?
Oh,
Yeah.
Key West?
Wait, what?
Yeah, I said, oh, you know that's what's calling.
We're
Oh,
gonna,
yeah.
this is a foreshadow to Key West in like 3 months.
Stop. We can't do that anymore. We already foreshadowed Boston. That's not happening.
Pretty soon it's gonna be like, let me go to Bora Bora.
Jason spotted this ice cream boat all the way down there.
Wait. Oh, your camera's a little bit different. Okay, never mind.
What?
No, you turned it in there. It's for the vlog, you said.
Anyways, so we're walking or swimming or crawling or whatever you call this, crab walking, over to see if they take cash or card. Because Jason's
I need some ice cream.
needing some ice cream, yeah.
Cool, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good one, guys. Alright. Whoa. It's melting, hurry up. Hurry, let's go.
Was your ice cream good?
Next, we're getting indigestion. Because we just ate where he hasn't been. I'm still looking at all my fingers.
Wait.
What are you doing?
Stop, mind your business. I need a little privacy here. No.
Wow.
Oh, look, she still reacted so well.
It's an avocado. Yay. Wait, no, this is sick. Look at this.
Alright, I'm gonna make a lifelong friend.
You're like a Disney princess now.
No.
Okay, where are we going to now?
Grab some Marissa's cake. Or
Okay, Redo, where are we going?
to Hard Rock. This is the last Hard Rock I have to go to before I visited the mall.
Okay, where are we going to now?
I can't think of a joke. Okay, no, hold on, wait, let me get back into character.
Alright, Jason, where are we going?
I don't have any idea, dude. I'm just going straight on this road. I want to stay at this hotel.
I was gonna say I want to stay at this hotel. Should I go to Beach Lemonade?
I'm gonna do. Actually, that sounds good.
Ooh, I can do a skinny.
I'm gonna do a virgin pina colada.
Alright, I got the jalapeno margarita, and Jason got the
Water.
water.
And the extra loaded pina colada.
Oh my god.
Spicy.
Yeah, that's strong and spicy. I need to live here. What'd you get?
Diet Coke.
Classic. Also, I don't know if you guys can see it, but look at this little sailboat in the distance. Yummy. Wait, what's this all over the hummus?
Chickpeas? No, not chickpeas.
Those look like bugs. We got guac.
Isn't hummus made of chickpeas?
Yeah, but
Isn't it like tahini to...
no, that.
Yeah. Those are eggs.
What's tahini?
Wait, what?
Tahini?
Tahini is that?
No, that's...
Or
Guys, what are we doing here?
Is it...
alright, this is flipped.
Really? All right.
Okay, alright.
Tastes like a steak.
Okay. I don't think I ever mentioned that we're in Clearwater now. We didn't just spawn here in Anna Maria. We're in Clearwater.
I really like this picture, but you're in it.
Wait, let me see. Wait, I can't see. Wait, am I looking at you?
Oh, it just gets worse and worse.
Chair, sit in the chair, sit in the chair.
Stop, I'm gonna look extra small.
Wait, switch, give me that.
Wait, you need this?
And you record. Oh my god, we're gonna miss the birthday song.
My birthday.
Wait, it's almost my birthday.
Stop making this about you.
Wait, where is he going? Yeah, wait, what if...
Get a better angle.
Where?
Right here, you need to...
Yeah, like under the buckets. If we watch this guy jump.
I don't know what we just freaking watched. That was so anticlimactic. How was your tinkle?
It's good, but there was a whole family in there. There they are.
Perfectly timed. Do you have hand sanitizer by chance, please?
Yeah, I do.
Are you hungry? Oh my god.
Sorry, I gave you a lot.
It was good. I didn't get burned.
I think I did a little bit. I think I did a little bit, actually. Oh my god.
That's so embarrassing.
I think I did, yeah. Like a tiny bit on my face because I forgot sunscreen on my face.
I think I might have a little bit too extra, like my face. Like
Actually?
my nose. Yeah, like my nose, I think. It doesn't hurt or anything, but... Oh,
I think I can kind of feel mine.
I forgot that I got mango.
Ew.
What do you mean?
Don't-
What do you mean? It's
You have to eat it.
It's only been sitting there for like a day.
Say goodnight to the vlog.
Good night, vlog. I'm gonna fall asleep right now, even though we have
See you bright and early tomorrow for this.
How
vlog
bright and
launch.
early? Are you committing?
I don't know.
She's-
I guess we'll see on the next vlog.
No, you'll be there at 6 a.m.